eventually it always comes around. Whether we die old or whether we die young, we've gotta live it up till it's gone. 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 Live it up till it's gone.
Had a cloudy head, yeah I know that. Since the fog cleared, I'll never go back. And I'm grateful they shot me down. Not the person I am, I would not be now. Yeah, it ain't good to be bulletproof, cause in the end that bullet will be good for you. When I think of all the things that I wouldn't do now if it wasn't for that one little bullet wound. That means you gotta learn from mistakes, and no one person's the same. Don't run from anything that hurts you to face. Each step you take, you get further away. There's a time when I thought of giving up. What I was living my life for, it didn't come. Now I haven't got time for what I wouldn't die for. I know that our life's short, so live it up.
Live it up till it's gone. Live it up till it's gone. Live it up till it's gone.
Gotta live it up.
Live it up till it's gone. Live it up till it's gone. Live it up till it's gone.
Gotta live it up.
Live it up till
Yeah, life's a journey, I know that. And it doesn't come with a roadmap. So you know to get through this maze. Along the way I made a few mistakes. Ever since then I left it all behind. Life's never been better. Head up in the clouds where it ought to be. See they say life's ordinary, but it's not. Still for a minute I got in a rut. In prison I was limited and feeling stuck. Had my glass half empty, had to fill it up. Now I think I wanna give myself a bigger cup. That's how the cards are dealt. Will it stay that way? Only time will tell. When I think I wanna cry for help, I just try to remind myself
there ain't no limit to us now, cause eventually it always comes around. Whether we die old or whether we die young, we gotta live it up till it's gone. 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 Live it up till it's gone.
Gotta live it up. I don't know what the future holds. I don't know if I'll achieve my goals. I just know life's beautiful. Maybe that's cause I'm living it on cruise control.
Cause truth be told, it doesn't matter if you make it the whole way up the ladder. Just as long as you're living out your dream. They used to tell me it was out of reach,
but now I'm flying at 1,000 feet, never looking at the ground beneath. See, I got rid of all the doubt in me. Who I was ain't shit, I'm what I'm about to be.
because growing up all I heard was the same story. And if I don't learn well, the blame's on me. So I started saying yes today to all the things I said no to yesterday.